Hey guys, Brian here from Liquid Concepts. So we're going to be had a couple of questions about a film. This is the SKO 381. So we're going to go ahead and lay this in the water, kind of do just a quick little video on it. So it is a little bit harder to lay down because it is wanting to roll up on us quite a bit. But once we get it in the water like this, it'll lay out pretty good. So what we're going to be doing is just a quick little speed shape here. I got my water a little bit colder, so we're going to be running about 90 seconds or so, but it still should be good. Normally you want to be about 80 to 90 degrees for about 60 seconds. So if you're a little bit colder, you can increase the time on it, and it'll still be just good. So we've got the film in the water here. Everything looks pretty good with it. We'll kind of pull everything a little bit tighter. I'm just going to go ahead and drop this one in right here. Get that ready to go. Alright, so we're about 60 seconds in right now, and everything still looks pretty good with it. So we've got our speed shape here ready to go. This hasn't been painted or anything. This is just strictly a ABS, so we're just going to go direct to ABS with it. But let me go ahead and spray this. We're about 80 seconds in, so it should still be fine. We'll go ahead and spray this, and actually, give me just 1 minute. Let me go turn the air on apparently. All right. It works a lot better with air. So there we go. So we're still a little bit low on air pressure. Let it build up for just a little bit. There we go. Alright, so everything looks pretty good. Looks like it's glassed out really nicely. You can probably get a shot of that and see you've got a really nice, smooth, glossy finish on it all the way through. And again, a lot more than what we needed for a speed shape, but still works just the same. We'll go through, dip this just like so, pull it back out, and there you go. Everything looks nice and crisp on it. Looks like it hit really well. Got nice black color all the way throughout, crisp lines, so I don't think we could have got a better dip out of it. If you have any questions or anything, definitely give us a call, 501-455-5500, or you can also shoot us an email, info@liquidconcepts. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.